strengthening the trigeminal nerve, relieving pain, and easing neuralgia. Trigeminal nerve pain is known as one of the most intense pains a human can experience. This strengthening releases energy blocks that weaken physical, emotional, mental, spiritual, and ancestral levels. Beyond pain relief, this process aims to restore calm, hope, and well-being to sufferers. I strengthen the trigeminal nerve in its three main branches: ophthalmic, maxillary, and mandibular. I remove any functional weakness to keep nerve-brain communication strong, balanced, and clear. I eliminate energies of inflammation, nerve damage, and overload in the nerve endings. I neutralize hypersensitivity and any pain connections throughout the nerve structure. I strengthen all nerve pathways, ensuring they're stable, aligned, and centered at 100% infinite potential all the time. I release stress, tension, and imbalances in the skull bones, especially in the jaw, temples, and facial muscles. I align the facial and cervical structure to prevent pressure or irritation affecting the trigeminal nerve. I erase all sensations of tightness, pulsing, or discomfort contributing to facial pain. I do all this at 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. I reduce pain perception and break the connection that intensifies and makes it unbearable. I eliminate mental exaggeration, distortion, and magnification of this pain. I dissolve feelings of hopelessness, helplessness, and distress experienced by those with trigeminal neuralgia. I release fear, the urge to flee, and feelings of unsupport. I bring calm, stability, and confidence in one's own body. All at 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time infinitely. We clear sadness, emotional fatigue, and low spirits contributing to this. I neutralize suffering programs and remove limiting beliefs and fears. We boost emotions and reactions of peace, acceptance, and inner strength. All at 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time infinitely. I strengthen the mind to dissolve anxiety, worry about pain, and sweating. I break recurring thought patterns of fear, despair, and catastrophe. I erase memories of intense pain, done, received, seen, heard, and ordered. We eliminate anticipation of new neuralgia episodes. Let's foster mental and chemical programming for calm and optimism. All at 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time, infinitely. I remove ancestral influences of pain and suffering linked to this. I release inherited energies affecting current well-being. I align spirit, body, and mind to reduce anxiety together. I eliminate the illusion and presence of this pain. I strengthen spiritual bonds for inner peace and protection. All at 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time infinitely. I erase all influences of negative diagnoses. and expert opinions and experiences of others who may have weakened the energy system of those suffering from trigeminal neuralgia. I detach from that collective and erase all weaknesses to zero minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. I'll remove all energy from self-fulfilling prophecies and expectations of pain or limitation. We erase all external influences, others' minds, and others' concerns. We send the mind to other universes, dimensions, time-space, dark matter, black holes, and unknown places. We strengthen quantum particles, atoms, molecules, cells, tissues, organs, and structures. We strengthen the regeneration of nerve endings. We strengthen the body's self-repair and regeneration. We erase all energy of fatigue, deterioration, or unresponsiveness in tissues around the trigeminal nerve. We boost support systems to reduce nerve strain. We enhance natural, ongoing well-being restoration. 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time, finite duration. Cut to tap into inner peace beyond pain. Cut to reset limiting beliefs of suffering and helplessness. Cut to rewire inner energy for hope, self-love, and resilience. Cut to embrace solutions that dissolve hopelessness. We remove feelings of loneliness and lack of support. Cut to connect with your inner strength and resilience. All at 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time, finite duration. Let's boost physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual resilience. Face each moment with calm and confidence. We boost your body's ability to heal, renew, and detox. We strengthen mental patterns for compassion, faith in recovery, and power to fully release pain. We remove fear and resistance to improvement. I empower you to release, forgive, and forget pain, suffering, and fatigue unconditionally. Stay strong and neutral to pain. Feel it or not, increase or not, decrease or not. Be strong for all. Positive, negative, fear, change, perception, and their opposites. We boost inner and outer dynamics, boundaries, and angles to 100% potential, always. We erase all weaknesses to negative infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. Restart, recalibrate, and rejuvenate your body, mind, and spirit. How do you feel? The same or different?